AI just completely changed the content creation game. Check out these next video clips. They are completely made with AI.
Oh my God, this is so much fun. Help!
What do you think of these videos that you just watched? They are 100% made with AI. No editing or voiceovers added, just one single prompt VEO3, or else we can say Google AI just changed the whole AI-generated video market, and I can say that this might be the best AI video generator that has been created so far. Last year we got Sora AI from OpenAI, and we have Kling AI, but when I compare the quality, accuracy, and the time that it takes to create a video, I think VEO3 is the best. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use this AI tool to generate videos, and let's see whether it is worth the price or not. Now let me show you something really cool. If you take a closer look at this video, you will see how amazing and detailed this video is. And this camera movement is literally similar to a high-budget movie studio. And down here, if you want to see the prompt of such a video, all you have to do is click Show Prompt. Now let's go ahead and create some videos. First, you need to go to Google and search for VEO3. Then you will come to this page. Now you need to click the Try and Flow option to access VEO3. Then click the Create with Flow option. Then you have to sign up using your Google account. And once it's done, you will come to this page, which is where all the magic happens. But as you see here, we don't have any credits to make a new video, so you need to subscribe to this first. The good thing is you don't have to pay for this because they will give the first month for free. You can get 1,000 credits with this free plan, but for first month only. So you can try this today with $0. I have signed up and got the first 1,000 credits. Let's play around with this. Let's create another dramatic video of apocalyptic urban city showcasing cinematic and dramatic tense sound. Let's head back to ChatGPT and give you the prompts for the video. ChatGPT is your biggest friend when it comes to generating prompts. Write to ChatGPT, act as a prompt engineer, and develop detailed prompts for the following requests. Next, type in your prompt in detail for ChatGPT to understand your needs and specifications you want your video to look like. I wrote a dramatic scene depicting a post-apocalyptic urban landscape with destroyed buildings and burning debris. You can pause the video and copy my prompt. Next, copy the prompt ChatGPT provided for you and paste it in our VEO3 video editor. Make sure it's on text to video settings. Click these 3 lines and filter to highest quality VEO3 with audio, so that when our video is generated, it has audio. I will add a few setting down here, cinematic and dramatic sounds of military vehicles, so that we can get that cinematic vibes of apocalyptic. As you can see here, the video is currently generating. Looks like the video is complete. If you ever feel stuck on generating video prompt ideas, you can take a screenshot of the sample video you would like to create and upload to this site called Image2Prompt. It will give a rough prompt description, which you can then paste in ChatGPT to help you generate a detailed prompt of such image. Next, copy the prompt ChatGPT generated and head over to VEO3 and paste your prompt. Make sure your settings are in VEO3 and not VEO2. And VEO3 has the best quality compared to VEO2 in terms of generating video creation. Now let's wait for the video to be generated. Let's create one last video, a joyful one for kids with sharks playing around. I will paste my prompt here that I generated using ChatGPT, but this I would like to talk about the ingredients to video feature. This feature is only available to Google Ultra AI users, which costs $250 a month. In my opinion, it's quite expensive for beginners unless you are willing to put up the investment. Let's check out the video that was generated for the sharks. It's quite impressive in my opinion. I don't know about you guys, comment down below. Would you pay $250 a month for this? I mean, I wouldn't. But if you are planning to start a new business or a YouTube channel using this AI videos, you can consider this as the investment. However, in the next few weeks, other AI tools will allow you to use this VEO3 model in their AI tools as well. My final conclusion is that this is the best AI model you can find in 2025 in terms of quality, timing, and accuracy. However, the only problem is the price. It's too expensive. Well, guess on that note, we have reached the end of today's video. See you on the next one.